Welcome. In this video, we're diving into how to unmute a space on Gmail with the latest updates. If you've been missing notifications from your group chats, don't worry. We've got you covered. Follow these simple steps to get back in the loop. Let's get started. First, open your Gmail app on your Android device. It's your go-to platform for managing emails and chats, so make sure you have it ready. Next, tap on the chat tab located at the bottom of your screen. This will take you to your conversations, including any spaces you may have muted. Now, go ahead and open the specific space you want to unmute. This will bring you to the conversation where all the action happens. Once you're in the space, look for the space name at the top of the screen. Tapping on this will take you to the space settings. Finally, you'll see the Unmute option. Simply tap it, and you're all set. You'll start receiving notifications again and won't miss any important messages. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on managing your Gmail app.